Okay, here's the following thing. Here in File Explorer I have a few hard drives, and the first one contains a Windows operating system. That's what I'm using currently, and the next one also contains an operating system. Now, which version of Windows would this be? To find out the version of Windows, let's do the following thing. So on this partition, it's a D drive. Let's go to that path. Windows folder, System32 folder. So Windows System32, enter there, config, and inside config we should have a software file. Okay, let's copy this file onto the desktop. Copy here. That's from the registry of this installation, Windows installation. Okay, now let's run regedit. Run and type in regedit and press enter. Okay, and here let's click on the middle one, H key local machine, and then let's click on file and load Hive. And from the desktop select that software, open. Okay, now type in anything that you want. I will type in test and click OK. Now we have to wait a little bit until, yes, it's here. So this one was imported into the registry and it's here. It's called test. Okay, now let's go to this path, local machine test. That's where we are. Microsoft, Windows NT, and current version. So test, Microsoft, Windows NT, and current version. Okay, so that Windows installation, it's Windows 7 Ultimate, and it had a Service Pack 1. So it's a Windows 7 installation, this one on the D drive. And since it does not have a program files x86 folder, then this Windows 7 should be in the 32-bit version. Okay, so we just found out the version of Windows on that D drive. Now let's go back to this test, click on it, and file and unload Hive. Yes, to unload it, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye. We can delete this file.